Hello everybody, welcome back. I got a new high-tech toy for the van. At least I think it's going to go in the van. I'm having second thoughts it might go in a Coachman. Let me show you what this is. While we're mid-project here, if you've been with the channel, you know we're on hold right now. There's a project going on with the transmission is out with the Coachman. So it's going to be a while before we get that back, and then we'll get back on that job. So this isn't so as critical as a transmission is. Look, it's a new gadget. It's I'd call it a high-tech gadget, but it's not necessarily high-tech, but it's certainly new tech compared to the era that these vehicles are from. This is a 2000 XL model. It don't even have, well, it might have a CD player. The Coachman's even worse, but we'll get to that. And I'll show you why I might think it might work out better in the Coachman. But this was originally a company sent this to me to check it out, and it was originally we talked about doing it in the van because, you know what, I'm not real crazy about what's in here right now. This has the most basic radio. It's only AM FM. There's no CD, there's no USB port for putting music on a USB stick and put my favorite playlist in there, or not even an auxiliary jack that I can plug my phone in. So it's not even no CD, not even a cassette player. I know those were long gone by 2000. It's AM and FM only with 4 presets. It leaves a little bit to be desired. That's what I'm limited to here in the van. And what's broadcast on the radio isn't always what you want to listen to. This thing, I don't know what all it does. It navigates it. It has the FM tuner, I believe. Syncs to my phone. Well, it has iPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, and AutoLink. I don't even know what this all does just yet. But I thought what I'd do is I'm just going to cover this up. This comes, I think they have smaller models. They might have bigger too. This happens to be a 9-inch. And the only thing that sticks out is this knob. I was going to pull this knob off and then just put like Velcro. And I was just going to replace it and put a modern day screen here in the van. Now, I'll have to look into how it would tie into my existing speaker system. What all's involved with that, I don't know yet. I know it has its own speaker, obviously, and it can just play directly from it. Anyway, I'm going to show you over why this might actually work better over in a Coachman. Okay, so this is going from old to older. We went from 2000 model to a 1987 Coachman. Right? Let me climb up in here and show you what we got. All right, here, I don't know what originally came in here in the Coachman in 1987. That might have been before CD, but it might have came with a cassette player. Somebody's replaced it with this Pioneer model, and it's not even, you can tell it's pushed back in, it's recessed. They didn't bother putting a proper faceplate on it or attaching it in a way that it wouldn't fall back in. But his falling back, it doesn't work anyway. It doesn't power up or anything. Yeah, it could be a fuse. I've just never messed with it. Yeah, so, and these controls are all kind of jacked up a little bit. This is something the previous owner did to it. This isn't even the right one actually, but it does work. It's not mounted right. The fan switch is all just laying there. It will go in and back out of here. I should fix this all someday, but it does work. But I thought, instead of messing with this, maybe I'll do the same thing. I'll put like Velcro in 4 corners and see if this thing wouldn't just cover this stereo, and I'll have a modern day display with many functions. So I'm gonna get it out of here. Oh, there's my wobblehead turtle. Okay. He travels with Bella and I. Yeah, let's get this thing out of the box and see what it looks like. This is supposed to be really simple to set up and running in minutes. We'll see about that. Nothing ever takes minutes, right? Let's see. We'll see what we got here. What's this? Oh, it has an extra port on it. I'm guessing that it just plugs into an auxiliary port for power, but it has an extra port on it that you can charge. Plug your phone into it too. It has voice controls, an SD card slot, and a USB slot. So, okay. I don't even know what some of this, all this stuff means. BT must be Bluetooth, USB, okay, and TF. What's TF? Audio, video. I don't know. Let's get into this thing. All right. Okay, there's that. Oh, it looks like it comes with some mounts. There's a big suction cup mount for vehicles that make sense to put it on the windshield, but yeah, I don't know about mounting it. What's this? Oh, that might answer some questions. Okay, that's for power. What else is in here? Oh, another mount that has a big adhesive thing on the back. All right. Again, I might not use any of that because I think I just want to cover up existing stuff. Okay, that's good. All right, what else we got in here? Instructions. Who needs instructions anyway? I better hang on to that. All right, I'm having a bit of a struggle here. I decided to go ahead and take this out instead of just cover it up because I want to mount this differently. This is going to vary from vehicle to vehicle, what method. With the Coachman, I don't know what I'm going to do exactly yet, but I know I just want to get this. This old one doesn't work anyway. I'm going to get it out of the way, and I might put out like a panel over where it goes and screw this thing to it, and then use the suction cup thing. Or, no, where's the other piece at? No. I'm going to use this, okay? It would screw directly to that panel. Anyway, I'm going to probably jump ahead on this part of the project because I want to get this thing plugged in and checked out. So what I might do is doctor this up a little bit too. I think I put a screw in the side there. This goes back in behind here. That switch is supposed to come out through that slot. I think we'll just doctor that up a little bit while I'm here and put a panel. I want to put a panel over top of this somehow. I gotta figure this part of it out. But this can screw onto that, and then this just mounts on. Then this would just mount. Hang on a second. Let me do this. Then this would just mount on there somehow. Yeah. So, and it would stick out a little bit because it's on just a slight arm. So for now, we just might get it up and running and test it, see how this thing works. I forgot, this actually came with a backup camera too. Oh. Well, the Coachman already has a backup camera, but I might mount it in the van. And I think I have decided to keep this portable. Maybe I will just Velcro it. And the backup camera might go in the van. So I'll go over there, I can just plug it in, and we have that feature too. The Coachman has this one down here. It'd been nice if I'd have got this sooner, maybe. How do I make this work? I got. Let's see if this works. Does it work? Anything back there? Oh yeah. Yeah, I could have saved myself probably the whole device if I would have got this to begin with. Okay, so for my power port down here, which for 1987 was actually a legitimate cigarette lighter. It's all metal, so it can handle the heat. But it is basically just a 12-volt port. So I have this. It's a splitter, so I can put two of them. You can go from using one to using two. That's the one for the backup camera thing. And so I'm just gonna put that in there. Oops, hang on. Alright, lights on. So now we can plug the second device in there. You know, this kind of stuff is on Amazon all day for a couple of bucks. It's pretty cheap stuff. Alright, lights on. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Nice, big, easy to see icons. Wow. Bluetooth not connected. So you got home, we got volume. Where do we start? I guess if I had a USB stick in it with music, I just push the USB thing and so on. Or the SD card, go to that music. FM trans thing. I wonder if this actually works. Right out of the box, that easy. You probably have to search for a station. It must have an internal antenna. Where's volume? How do we work it? If it has decent sound, I'd be happy just to. Huh? Let's see here. Might take me a minute to figure this thing out. Where's the search thing? We got presets. How do we make this work? It's gonna be a trick. Oh, we got brightness. Oh yeah, we can turn it up some. And yeah, I'll have to figure this out. Maybe I should read the manual, right? Alright. Welcome to Android Auto. Android Auto will turn on Bluetooth and pair to your phone. It'll also sync your contacts with this car unless you have opted out. Nice. Oh. Check this out. Split screen. Oh, this is already better than just using my phone. I did use my phone previously up here on my phone mount. I got another thing that goes on, magnetic thing goes on there. But switching back and forth while you're driving, kind of a hassle. So, oops, don't want to show my home address. That's all. Wait a minute. We'll just do this side here. Let's see. Let's get the directions of Valvoline, just a minute. Alright, so now what? Okay, there's my contacts. I guess I can make phone calls with it. Interesting. But hang on. I can't be showing you guys all my personal contacts and location and stuff. How about Pandora? Next time try saying, "Hey Google, open Pandora." Oh, interesting. Let's go out of that. All right. Let's skip the next. Billie Jean. Okay. Prince. We got some 80s pop going. That's our genre today. Copyright stuff. Stop. Alright, so that's cool. We could be listening to music and have the maps run at the same time. Hang on a minute. Alright, I'm getting things better under control here. We have, this is nice. We have, yeah, the split screen here. This is optional if you wanna hit your screens back. You can push that, or turn that off and go to your main page. Look at that. Check your calendar, exit everything, whatever. Messenger. Oh, nice. Pandora. What else is on here? Oh, weather and customize settings, I guess. Reminders. Oh, this is my Patreon app is even on here. How interesting. I can do Patreon updates from from here, from my dashboard. Interesting. And my messages. This is all pretty dang cool. But I can go. Let me go back here. It brings up my map and my music controls here. Listening to some Bangles, Walk Like an Egyptian. Way oh, way oh. So let's see. The cutting crew. So I like this thing. And you know what? I might not get all fancy with it and use it for like the backup camera. I don't know if I actually really use that or not. I like this. This works for me. Here's what's nice. You know, if you've been with the channel for a while, you know, I tend to have older vehicles and fixer-uppers and keep them rolling and everything. But, you know, one thing I do miss, I do like, you know, modern technology. I do like navigation and tunes, and I do like to be able to play off my my playlists and stuff. So it's a welcome upgrade. I like having this in here. It's like get with the times a little bit, right? So just AM FM cassette or something. 8-track. All right, I'm happy to have this. We're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna mount it in the Coachman. I'm gonna get the mounting system figured out on how I can just take that to either vehicle. That's what's gonna happen. But I'll have to do some figure, like I say, from application to application, or vehicle from one vehicle to another. It's gonna vary. You might very well stick that suction cup on something and you're good to go, or the other thing, whatever. And like I say, I think they have other models and stuff, smaller ones. Well, I don't know how much bigger they come, but I know they have smaller ones in different mounting styles. But if you have an older vehicle or just something you'd want something like this in, I mean, check these out. I'll leave the link down in the bottom of this video, of course. And I like it. I'm gonna enjoy it already. I'm happy to have it. That's nice. It's easy to use. So, all right, that's all we got. I think we're gonna go on with some other projects here. It's gonna be a little while before that transmission gets back, and that's fine. I got things to keep me busy. I'm in no hurry to get it back, honestly. So, we'll see you next time.